Hey guys, Glenn Murray. This is my review of GPT Blaster. Now, this is very, very cool. This is the artificial intelligence. We've got so much going on with AI now, with building websites. Well, this one is the first Google approved WordPress AI builder, which I was just saying to my wife. I said, these websites are all being taken. It's going to take over WordPress because WordPress is kind of antiquated, and then these guys come out with a full-on AI WordPress builder, which is really, really cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at my bonus page. I've got the demo here. We're going to run through the demo. I'm not going to go into the back office. It's very cool, but I think the demo we just want to show you quickly what it does. And it makes, basically in a nutshell, you can just sit there and make websites in seconds, or you can let the system just run and keep creating posts over and over and over. So it'll go find a new image, it'll find a new post, and all you need to do is the keywords, and it'll just keep writing, generating unique content over and over about that subject. So it's very, very cool. So let's jump into the demo here. Well, let's first off, make sure you hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel. January is my best subscriber month. I kind of took a break from YouTube, so it's nice to be back in here doing these reviews daily for you guys. The bonuses are going to be, we're going to give you the complete SEO studio, which is really cool for websites. We're going to give you the access to the headlines. So when you're writing these headlines for your blog posts or your web pages, this is going to really help you out. We've got the email marketing trick for higher conversions. Of course, you're going to put an opt-in on your website and be able to get your conversions up. And then we're going to show you how to get endless traffic, okay? Plus, there's 2 sets of bonuses from the vendor that I've been able to secure for you, so you will be getting all of those. So let's jump in and watch the video here. Where is it? Bring this up here so I can see what I'm doing. And then we'll come back and we'll talk about the upgrades and all that stuff. Okay, here we go. Yeah, all I can say is pretty much wow. Like seeing what AI can do these days, guys, it blows my mind. It looks so good. And what AI has become with the writing it blows my mind. It really, really blows my mind. Okay, so let's go through the upsells. This is the bonus page, by the way, guys. The upsells are, it starts out with $19 for the front end, or I think you can get there's going to be $19 to $27. Auto question answer. AI will answer to visitors in real time from your WordPress site. So you get the auto Q&A on the front end. Publish automatic content as post and post. Just enter a title. Generate and insert automatic images. Choose temperature of content. Cool. Number 2, you remove the watermark from any content. You get 10 times faster content. You remove the watermark from generated images. Unlock content creation in 30 plus languages. So if you're doing, so the front end will do 5. You can do 5 languages. and 30 plus languages. Unlock more niches than the front end, and deploy the AI chatbot on your. So there's an auto Q&A, and then there's an actual chat box on with the OTO. So that's definitely a worthwhile upgrade looking at. OTO 2, I always say get the unlimited, guys. Unlimited content, auto, like this is perfect. You want the unlimited, definitely be grabbing that. So it'll be $47 or downsell $37. OTO SEO, let GPT Blaster generate SEO. Oh, this is cool. Generate SEO content on your website. So along with my bonus about learning about SEO, this is going to generate the SEO and content, meta description, meta content to rank your websites. That's very cool. Enable for your site. You can enable this up to show the meta description and page title in the HTML code, which is what you want. OTO number 4, $97 or $67 downsell. Let our team configure GPT Blaster on your website in your desired niche perfectly while you relax. So it's a done for you thing. So that's, if you're not techie at all, definitely get them to set them up, just get them set up to start making posts all the time. Agency. Oh, it looks like I copied that twice, guys. Agency, basically, you're going to be able to, it'll be a commercial license. Reseller, you can resell and get 100% profits. And then white label, you can actually rebrand the whole thing as your own. So what is it? It creates set and forget websites. That is the main thing. It's Google approved. It creates 100% original content. It publishes automatic content. It comes with 50 done for you sites. So you go on, like, I don't know if you guys saw my video right here, D leads. Go get that tool. That's a great tool. That also builds AI websites. So if you had that with this, you would have an unstoppable business, because the D leads does all the farming for you to get the business, and then you just generate websites. They may say, we want a WordPress site. Boom, done. You give them a WordPress site. You sell them WordPress site. That way you can generate automated info, but they can also generate their own posts. So they can go into WordPress and make their own posts. So the two of those combined would be very good. Generate and insert automatic visually appealing images. I love where it grabs the images automatically. Never worry about paying huge monthly amounts for anything. You're going to pay your hosting fee, of course, where you host it, which is just a couple bucks. And if you want my hosting, actually, yeah, I'll put my link, because I love my hosting. A2 is, I think, better than anything else. Some people like Bluehost and all that. I like A2. So I put a link to that. And 100% easy to use technology. So jumping over to the sales page here, guys. The world's first real open AI connected WordPress software that creates set and forget websites with limitless real-time pages and images. It also has real-time unique content. So this is what it's generating in real time using the artificial intelligence. Auto publishing posts, right? So this does it all, and pages and images. So directly from ChatGPT and OpenAI in any niche for a low one-time price. Cancel paying huge monthly fees. So create set and forget websites. We went through these. Thousands of business owners have switched from exorbitant content creation platforms to GPT Blaster to create set and forget websites with real content without burning a hole in your pocket. Guys, yeah, like these things, Jasper, I don't know if you tried Jasper. Jasper was the best one when it came out. It did great AI, but it's just so expensive, guys. And now with GPT, it's just wide open, you know. I used to use Grammarly. I don't anymore. Storytelab, Medium. Anyways, guys, there's tons of problems with high monthly fees, facing writer's block, copyright issues and claims, too much repetitive content on free platforms. Content doesn't match your business needs, lower search rankings, and business reputation. So it takes care of all those problems. These are the problems you have. This solves it. So I'm not going to go down. Guys, go ahead and go down and go through the sales page. You'll see exactly what it solves. And let me see if there's a couple of the bonuses on here, and then we have extra bonuses for you guys. Let's find the bonuses. Bonus. Where are the bonuses? All right, so GPT Blaster, monthly or yearly fees? No, you gotta like that. Laptop lifestyle, love it. Um, well, the bonuses on here, oh, I missed it. Anyways, you guys can go through the page. You're definitely gonna want to grab it. Let me jump back on here, please. All right, so what's my opinion of GPT Blaster? It's ironic that I was just saying that the AI websites are going to take over from WordPress and then oh, look at this. My kids were in a baton competition and they left me one of their little tiny batons with a rabbit. It's a little baton. What I was going to say is the AI websites are going to take over for WordPress because no one was making that I had seen a artificial intelligent WordPress builder until now. So GPT Blaster does. So if you're familiar with WordPress, you're going to really like this. If you're not, but like I said, go up here, go look at my D-Leads demo or review. Definitely check that out because when you put the two of them together, finding the lead source and go watch what D-Leads does. It does everything. It's not like you have to really even get on the phone with these people because it does all the work for you. It finds the leads. It sets up an email series. It emails them. It basically sends them to a web page and then it can build the page for you. Right there, it can fulfill and build the page, or you can come over here and build a WordPress site if they want to do that. So both of them together, great combination. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Go pick up GPT Blaster today and start making some money, guys. There's millions of companies looking for people to do websites for them, and this is your chance to be able to make that money. Cheers, guys.